Well, it's May 31st. Clendening Bass Fishing Club is launching at the Atwood Lake this morning. I believe it's their 10th tournament so far this year. All the anglers are backing in, getting ready to load, getting ready to hit the water. Stay with us here today. We're going to be getting some on the water footage and also the weigh-in as we come in at 3 o'clock. Good morning. Oh, the hammers are here now.
Cold, man. What the frick?
At least there's no wind today.
Good. What is it?
Yeah, since we took all that weight out of that thing, it's windy.
Well, you better do more than try.
Yeah.
At least it's calm today. I came up here yesterday.
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
This thing was rough as could be.
Yeah. When was that?
Yesterday.
Oh, okay.
There was like 2.5 footers out here.
Well, I tell you what, they're saying like 0 to 5 today, but here that means like 10 to 15.
Right. I seen 3.
No, I'm serious. I was catching them over the front when I went out.
I seen 3 to 6 on AccuWeather, so we'll see.
Yeah.
Big Bass Dave getting unloaded for the tournament, getting roped off. Buddy.
Let's go.
A couple more boats getting ready to unload. They'll be kicking off here at 7 a.m. There's about 20 boats here today for the tournament. All right, they're getting ready to kick off. There they go. Launching in a little bit of fog, starting to burn off already.
I'm so sorry, man. I didn't mean to get that close to you. That's my bad.
No, you're good. No worries. That's all right. I can't hurt this thing very much.
Same story on this one, man.
Yeah.
Well, Owen, are you catching them yet? Not yet?
I just had a one bite.
Oh, good deal.
Yeah, I had a bite.
Well, have fun today.
Oh, we will.
Well, here we go. Let's go over here and try some riprap first out at the Atwood tournament this morning. I think most guys went to the other end. Go over here by the dam and see what's going on. Nice. You guys in the tournament?
No.
Oh man.
I know, right?
Hold it up. I'll get it anyway. Right on. Nice fish. Well, how is it?
Not very good right now. A couple minutes.
Where you head out of here?
Yeah, we're gonna go out here and try to
Gotcha.
He had no luck in the sweet spot. No.
Really? How's it going, guys?
Going pretty good. Going pretty good.
Good.
You got a bag.
Do you? Already? Nice.
Yeah. Now we've got to call out some little ones.
That's a good spot to be right now. Well, good luck, gentlemen. Have fun. Now don't trip and fall in the water. We need another short with you in it that's got 18,000 views. How was it? Did you get a limit? Good deal.
No, we didn't get our one.
You got two? Awesome. That's pretty good for here from what I'm hearing. Nice.
Oh my God. Can I put him in there?
Good job, dude.
Yeah.
There you go.
Good job, bud.
Now you gotta go let him go.
Go turn him loose.
Kind of mess up in.
Yep.
Like, no, you have to put it here. It's a boat ramp. So impossible.
I believe it. Yeah.
I'm 13.
Good job, man.
We dumped them out last year. We had the tags in there. They're all fluid.
Oh shit.
Oh my God! Yee, yee, yee.
You guys might be pretty hard to beat.
4, she was still 4 eggs. And then I found like 5 or 6 schools of fry today.
Everything in Clendening, I think, spawned out. Water's been warmer over there, though.
Truck's got 3 and I got 2. They got a thing if I give it here, that one's mine.
Yep. Exactly. If we have a snake competition, that bank it works.
That was a little one. My dad got 2 pounds.
Told me about
3 pounds.
all the way down at the first. Oh, dude, I went under the little bridge. Oh, snap. Wasted so much time down there. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I went back under that bridge, but 450, 40 minutes. Yeah, it'd probably be dry guard or something. And pick up the saw guy. Caught a 40 pound saw.
754 first fish.
Uh-oh.
No, just 272 is all it was.
Well, how was it?
It was good, except we just didn't finish well. It's not good when you dump 7.5 pounds on your first 2 fish in the morning.
Oh, shit.
Yep, it's just the way it is. We should have had 13 pounds.
Heck yeah. That's all
I ran around for a couple hours tonight, came back and loaded and went over to Leesville and finished the day.
He had a 4-pounder on. Set the hook, he jacked her. She come across, started swimming right to him, and he was pulling, trying to get. And I went to get the net, and get down on her. So when she turned, she just opened her mouth, and the freaking jig come right out.
Oh.
I said, "There's 7.5 pounds right there. We should have had 13, but." Billy Wilson and Sean Bailey ended up with 18.5 pounds.
Did they
They
really?
caught them on shower blows right out in the middle of the lake. They were blowing up on shad and they were throwing it. Get one of them southern style fishing.
I didn't see any shad today. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I'm guilty of doing that myself.
375. 3 1/4. 3 1/4. Oh, 4 pounds.
skinny guy.
It is.
Big head.
I've seen some. It's just the way it is.
We ended up calling twice after we talked to you, not till like the last hour and a half. That big one and then another two.
Just nice.
Oh, you guys got
Yeah, we got
13
good bag.
pounds.
Yeah, it's a good bag.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's gonna be tough to beat there.
It's gonna be 14 pounds. No. Yeah.
Close.
7.7. We'd have been right there with you.
We had a good average in that big one.
Good job.
Hey, good job fishing today. Glad you got to come to the first time.
Healthy fish.
Man, I was out on Piedmont last week and I had to move. The damn muskies would not leave me alone.
Is that right? A lot of muskie, eh?
I normally don't have problems with it.
Hey, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Shit's coming off. I'm ordering me another 1,000 yards of freaking Vizix Seaguard. I'm going back to the Vizix. I ain't breaking fish off no more.
That's what I've been fishing too.
What's that?
Seaguar.
That Seaguar Vizix is unbelievable. And I switched to Abrasix because my buddy said, "Oh, you need to get this Abrasix. It's less stretch and it's got more abrasive for heavy cover fishing." I've already watched him bust 5 fish off, break 5 fish off, and I broke off 3 this year. Pretty good guess.
My wife on Facebook.
Oh, boy.
See what I get to do? Turn. Be close.
Oh, that was fine.
How you find
Yeah,
that fish
he's
in
got
there?
about
Nothing I
almost
find
10
these
pounds.
little fish. What are you using for bait? Are you minnows? You probably use lures, yeah. Fishermen use lures. Us thinkers, we use minnows.
Secret sound.
Wouldn't even hook.
He's gonna get that in the
Oh, we got fourth place with 913. Joe and Caden Brado for $57.
Congrats.
Third place, $75 with 928. Mike Blake and Roger Naylor. Good job, guys.
Job, guys.
Thank you.
Second place, $94 with 955. Bub Riley, Roger Jones. Good job, Roger. Good job. First place by a bunch, $13.75 for $151. Marcus and Cole. Big Bass was $404 for $145. That was also Marcus. Good job, bud.
Tapping next weekend?
Is that where we're at?
I think it is. Tapping.